What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of NRL Garage. My name is Nick, and today we are finally going to be diving into what's going on with my 2014 Ford Mustang. You can see it there behind me. But before we do, if you want to follow along with this series of rebuilding my Mustang, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. It takes 2 seconds, and you will not miss any updates for the Mustang. I know it's been a little slow right now, but in 2025, there's going to be some major progress on this build. I hope to have it back out on the road in the springtime so that we have a roadworthy Mustang to take to all the car shows come summertime. So go ahead, if you don't want to miss any episodes, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, lets me know you enjoy the videos. And without further ado, let's get into it. So first things first, as many of you know, as I talked about in my very first video, this is my 2014 Mustang. I daily drove it for 4 years, and a little over 3 months ago, it was hit in a parking lot and sustained significant damage to the rear quarter panel. And the car was destined for the scrapyard, but I decided I wanted to hang on to it, wanted to save it and get it back out on the road. So to start off with, and the reason why there haven't been many updates is I've done some disassembly on the car. You've probably seen the bumper off the car in a couple videos. I've disassembled the rear end to assess the damage, and when I did, I found that the rear quarter panel was not all that was damaged. Unfortunately, the bulk of the impact of the car is on the intersection of 3 body panels. We've got the quarter panel, you've got the floor, and you've got the rear body panel, all of which are kind of crunched on that corner joint. And so it's been a little bit of a process figuring out exactly how we're going to go about fixing this car. I've tried some things off camera, such as, hammering it from the inside, trying to get the dent to pop out, flattening out some of the crushed panels, and it's just not working, not making a whole lot of progress with it. So the next step is to pull the dent. So in order to pull the dent, I have went and got a electric stud welder. This tool takes these small studs and easily welds them to the body of the car in various places, weld them into the weak spots, and then there is a slide hammer along with it that attaches to those studs, and you can use it to pull the metal out. And my hope is that with that, we can get the panel straight enough that the outer piece of the quarter panel will sit flush with the bumper, and we can reattach the rear bumper cover. So that'll be the main goal of this portion of the project. But in order to use the stud welder, we have to take the car down to the bare metal. And so I'm going to start today with a drill and a polycarbide wheel to rough up the paint, take it down as much as we can, get it down to as much metal as we can, see how well that works. And then after that, anything that we don't get with the drill and with sandpaper, we are going to take it over to my buddy's house, and that piece of the car, we're going to hit it with a sandblaster and fully take it down to bare metal. take her own. I'll give y'all an update once. All right, y'all, this is the progress that we have on the Mustang today. We've got it a significant portion hit with that polycarbide wheel, sanded down, definitely getting closer to that bare metal. Still have some work to do, but this is where we're gonna have to call it for today. I'm gonna keep working on this off camera, and in the next video, I'll give you an update on where we stand, and we'll take the car to the sandblaster. All right, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, you want to see more of the Mustang build, then go ahead, leave a like on this video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any episodes. It's been a little slow here in 2024, but in 2025, we're gonna hit the ground running and we're gonna get this car back on the road. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another episode, and I will see you guys in the next one.